This man was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and received a 10-year deferred sentence with strict conditions. But after failing to follow through with court-ordered mental health treatment, he's back. But this time, he is facing a potential 20-year prison sentence.
When the grandfather had the police to come out, your wife would not tell them that anything was wrong. And the reason why I believe that she wouldn't tell them is because she doesn't want you to go to prison. She wants him to get help. She doesn't want him in prison. But do I believe you did everything that's listed in here? Yes, because all of the evidence point to the fact that you did this. And based upon what I'm reading about her grandfather and your child's great-grandfather, because he's the grandfather of your wife, and he's the child's great-grandfather, he's concerned about his grandchild and his great-granddaughter, and rightfully so. And just so I want you to understand, I understand why he doesn't like you and doesn't want you in their life. I don't know anybody here. Raise your hand if you want your daughter or your granddaughter to be involved with somebody who's on felony probation. I don't know anybody who would be like, oh yeah, sign me up. I want my granddaughter to be with someone who is on probation for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon against a family member. I don't know anybody who wants that. So when people are shocked that a relative doesn't like them, I'm shocked that you're shocked by that. And then you have mental health issues on top of that, and you're not taking care of your mental health issues, and I'm sure you're not bringing in money the way you were supposed to, and he's concerned that you're going to be violent towards his great-granddaughter. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And you've been doing horrible on probation. But I do realize you have mental health issues. In state, let me just explain something. I knew you all want 6 years in prison. He'll be eligible for parole in 3. He's still gonna have the same mental health issues that nobody's going to address. And that's part of the court's issue. So I think this is a mental health issue, and I think you're using your mental health issues as a crutch to say, I'm angry because of my mental health issues. I really don't even think that is in any way related to your behavior. But we're gonna correct your behavior, and if this correction doesn't take place, you're looking at 20 years in the prison.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, if I may ask, how long are we going to plan for PTRF?
All right, so see, we can go off the record. Let me just explain something to you, what you don't understand. You were looking at 20 years in prison. And because this is an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, your attorney will tell you you would have to do 10 years flat before you're eligible. So here you are, you've just escaped the jaws of the lion, and now you're trying to, how long is DDRF is going to be? Your attorney already told you that. Now, if you would like, we will come back quick, fast, and hurry, like today, on another motion to revoke, and I can send you to prison.
I was just wondering for school.
School, you're going to have to pick that up another year.